will need a good pot, with proper drainage holes. Unblock drainage holes. Good quality potting soil and some river sand. Get a healthy strawberry plant from the nursery. Make a mark around the plant base. Remove sand to create a hole. Place plant into the hole. Do not cover the crown of the plant. Place good quality mulch around the plant. Remove all flowers. We want a stronger rooting system to form. Do not allow strawberry fruits to touch the sand. Place pot in direct sunlight.